It's a new video of my V6 Mustang. Just put out the GT takeoffs. We're gonna have another glimpse on the engine too. So I have the cooler intake with the headers, 70mm throttle body, high performance wires with the Screaming Demon coil pack. There's my pitbull puppy. Hey, get over here! Come here! Just taking a piss too. Come on. And inside, 5-speed short shifter. There's my GT takeoffs. And we're gonna see how it sounds. See the engine, how it sounds too. Exhaust, engine. Hope you guys enjoy this.